In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Canva. We'll walk through finding the right starting point, building your diagram with the correct shapes, connecting everything cleanly, and finishing with a professional look you can share or export. Start by opening Canva and searching for a flowchart, process flow, or workflow diagram. You'll see ready-made templates that give you a solid structure, or you can choose a blank whiteboard if you prefer total flexibility and an infinite canvas. Templates are great for speed and consistency. A whiteboard is perfect for free-form brainstorming. Next, add the essential shapes. Go to the Elements tab on the left and search for Shapes. Drag an oval or pill shape onto the canvas to mark your start or end points. Use rectangles for steps or actions, and diamonds for decisions that branch your process. Keep your shapes consistent in size for clarity. Duplicate an existing shape to maintain uniform spacing and style as you build. Add text by double-clicking inside any shape and typing. Keep labels concise and action-oriented so the flow is easy to scan. If text wraps awkwardly, resize the shape or adjust the font size to keep everything readable. To connect your steps, click a shape and look for the small arrows that appear around it. Drag an arrow to the next shape, and Canva will connect them automatically. This keeps lines neatly attached as you move items around. If you prefer manual control, open Elements and use the Lines Shapes section to add arrows, then adjust the endpoints to connect them to your shapes. Customize the look using the top toolbar. Choose colors that provide good contrast, select a clear, readable font, and set line thickness and style to match your design. Subtle icons or illustrations from the Elements library can add helpful context. Just keep them secondary to the text so the flow remains the focus. For faster building, try Quick Flow. Select a shape, click the three dots labeled More, and enable Quick Flow, or click the arrow icon that appears on the shape. Each click will instantly add and connect a new shape in the right position, so you can map a process rapidly without manually dragging each piece. When you're ready to collaborate, use the share button to send an editable link to your team. They can jump in, leave comments, and refine the diagram with you. To export, click Download and choose PNG, PDF, or another format that fits your needs. Thanks for watching.